Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandapani from Master Arichodi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Cancer sign, Cancer ascendants, Punarpusam 4th Padam, Pusam, Ayilyam, constellation viewers. Month begins with your sign lord, Moon, a daily moving planet in the 10th house Aries. Second house lord, Sun, in Cancer in the first half of the month and in Leo in the second half of the month. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family life will be harmonious. Family members will cooperate. Your vocation will be respected. Politicians will flourish. 3rd and 12th house Lord Mercury will be in your sign Cancer till August 8th and moves to Leo, second house on August 9th. Education side will be bright and chances for higher education are seen bright. Your efforts will be successful. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and expenses. 4th and 11th house Lord Venus in second house Leo will make your fund flow flawless. Chances for purchase of ornaments and luxuries are seen bright. Women will flourish in the house and office. Family will be comfortable with women's management. It is good time for marriage arrangements. Chances for childbirth is seen. Dull situation so far experienced by artists will change and will be favorable for them. But when Venus moves to Virgo in a debilitated status, situation will change completely. 5th and 10th house Lord Mars in second house Leo will make you go in for purchase of immovable properties like house and land. Children will flourish in education and you may feel proud about them. Business, trade and career will flourish. Your skill and hard work will be recognized and appreciated by higher-ups. Your desires will be fulfilled. 6th and 9th house Lord Jupiter in the 8th house Aquarius. Court cases so far pending will be finalized in your favor. Avoid controversies and court cases. Jupiter aspects over 12th house Gemini, 2nd house Leo, 4th house Libra. There may be expenses and travels because of celebration and joyful occasions in the family. Aspect of Jupiter on 4 planets, Venus, Sun, Mercury and Mars in Leo will make you flourish economically, education-wise and childbirth is also seen bright. There may be mixed results of good and bad in your luxuries and comforts as it is aspected over by both Jupiter and 7th and 8th house Lord Saturn in 7th house Capricorn. So spouse relationship will be good with flexibility and give and take policy. Avoid third party interference in the spouse relationship. Take care of your health. Saturn aspects over 9th house Pisces, your sign Cancer, 4th house Libra. Take care of your father's health with due medical advice. Your vocation and action may hurt others. So be careful. Take due legal advice before going for purchase of house, land and vehicles. You will be fortunate to have Dragon Ragu in 11th house Taurus, which will give you help from abroad friends, other language and other religion people. To overcome confusions and problems by 5th house Dragon Ketu in Scorpio, involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation. Worship of family deity and pradosham will be helpful. Moon moves to 8th house on August 21st, 22nd and 23rd. On these days, avoid travels and new ventures. Away yourself from controversies. Be cautious while driving vehicles. If your ascendant falls in the same sign, set predictions may be taken. If otherwise, go in for the prediction of the sign where your ascendant falls. Based on your birth chart, Dasa Bhukti, predictions may vary. It is a general prediction based on Tirkanita Panjangam. Planetary transits on August 9th, Mercury moves to Leo. August 12th, Venus moves to Virgo. August 16th, Sun moves to Leo. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.